In this video, I'm revealing 6 powerful cruise savings hacks that can save you hundreds on your next voyage. If you love finding smart travel hacks, make sure to hit subscribe. We share new budget travel tips every week to help you travel better for less. Stick around to the end for a bonus hack that could score you discounted or even free cruises. Number 1, book during wave season. When you book can make or break your cruise budget. Wave season runs from January through March and is when cruise lines launch their biggest sales. You'll see free upgrades, onboard credits, and reduced deposits across the board. You'll save an average of 20 to 35% when booking during this period. If that window doesn't work for you, try shoulder months, April to May or September to November. You'll find lower fares, smaller crowds, and ideal weather. Use cruise trackers like Cruise Watch or Vacations to Go to spot midweek price drops. That's often when agencies quietly adjust rates. Number 2, book inside or guarantee cabins. You can save hundreds by booking an inside or guarantee cabin. With a guarantee, you pick the room type like Ocean View, but let the cruise line assign the specific cabin closer to sailing. It's a small gamble that can pay off big. Guarantee bookings average $400 to $600 less per cabin. Tip: choose midship on a lower deck for the smoothest ride. Perfect if you're prone to motion sickness. And here's a bonus tip. Some lines like NCL and MSC let guests bid for upgrades before departure. You can score balcony or suite upgrades for a fraction of the list price. Always check your email for those upgrade advantage offers. Number 3, bring your own beverages where allowed. Cruise alcoholic drinks can cost $12 to $15 each, but here's a lesser known rule. Most cruise lines let you bring limited beverages on board. Typically, that's 1 bottle of wine or champagne per adult and up to 12 cans of soda or water. This simple hack can save $70 per couple per cruise. If you do this, use wine sleeves for packing and check each line's rules carefully. Carnival, Princess, and MSC all have slightly different limits. Hack number 4, skip the drink package unless you'll truly use it. Unlimited drink packages sound like a good deal, but at $70 to $100 per person per day, they often aren't. You'd need to drink 6 to 8 alcoholic beverages per day to break even. If you only enjoy a few drinks at dinner or by the pool, pay per drink. You'll save a small fortune. Look out for happy hour or wine and dine specials. Many ships offer half-price cocktails during off-peak hours. And here's a sneaky secret. On some ships with casinos, players can enjoy free alcoholic drinks while actively gaming. If you like blackjack or slots, that perk alone can save you the cost of a full drink package. Number 5, bring refillable water bottles and coffee mugs. Bottled water and specialty coffee might seem small, but over a week they add up fast. Cruisers save about $8 to $10 per day by bringing reusable bottles and mugs. Use the buffet or gym's filtered water stations and skip the bottled water charges. Bring collapsible bottles for easy packing and thermal mugs for early morning excursions. Fill up before heading ashore and avoid paying cafe prices. Bonus hack: casino and veteran perks. If you enjoy casino play, look into cruise casino programs like Casinos at Sea for NCL or You Are Comped. They partner with major cruise lines and often offer discounted or even complimentary cruises based on your gaming history. Plus, many cruise lines offer veteran discounts and even onboard recognition for service members. Don't forget to ask when booking. It's a simple question that could unlock extra perks. So, there you have it. 5 cruise savings hacks plus a bonus insider tip to keep your wallet happy and your vacation amazing. Which hack will you try first? Drop a comment below. And if you haven't already, subscribe for new travel hacks and cruise tips every week. And as always, enjoy the journey.